best WordPress blog theme for AdSense. So I'm going to show you this best theme that you can install with your WordPress, okay, so that when you apply for AdSense you are going to get approved. Okay, so let's get right into it. So I'm going to log into my WordPress for you to see by simply putting my username, my password, and I click on login. And as you can see, I'm within my WordPress dashboard. So this theme that you have to use so that you can get AdSense approval is no other but Astra. Okay, so Astra is the theme, and from Astra, let's go to the dashboard for you to see by clicking on the dashboard. And as you can see, welcome to Astra. So Astra is fast, it is fully customizable, it is beautiful, and then it is made suitably for blog. Okay, so it is made for blog and it's one of the best. So they have this quick settings. Okay, so when you come down here, you're going to see that you have the quick settings that you can use to customize your website. Okay, and it is all within the free plan. So I'm using the free plan, it's all within it. If you want a pro feature, you can upgrade, but the free plan is the best and it gets all that you want. Okay, so let's go to the website for you to see by clicking on visit site. And then this is the website. Okay, it is also having an AI feature that I used to build the website. Okay, so it was easy and fast, and I'm having that video too on my channel. Okay, so let's go to the about section for you to see, and this is the about section of the website. It's looking so great, and it has the customizer. So if you want to customize everything, you get it. So let's go to the dashboard, and let me go to the Astra for you to see. So to get the Astra, all that you have to do is simply go to the appearance and then simply come to the themes. Okay, and you get it from the new themes, and it is always among the popular themes. Okay, so when you come here, you see that Astra is here. I have installed it and it is active. Okay, so you can customize it. So let me click on it for you to see. And currently, this is the version that they are having. That is the version 4.810. Okay, so this is the version that they are having currently. So it was updated. So let's check the last that it was updated. It was updated this year. Okay, so this is the date that they updated it. They always update it. Okay, and this is the active installation. People who have actually installed it and it is active. We are having over 1 million plus people using this theme. Okay, so it is one of the best, and then it has gotten so far 4.9 out of 5 stars. Okay, and when you come here, you are going to see the daily downloads. Okay, so this is the daily downloads. When you come here, okay, you see the statistics. So Astra is one of the best theme that you can install, and it will get you approved when you applied for your AdSense. Okay, so like the video and then see you in my next video.